The content provided on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional, financial or accounting advice. इस चैनल पर फराहम करदा मवाद सिर्फ तालीमी और मालूमाती मकासद के लिए है और इससे पेशावराना मालियाती या अकाउंटिंग मशवरे के तौर पर नहीं समझा जाना चाहिए। Accounting terms: asset, liability, income, expenses, capital. Definition of asset: any resource. Condition 1 to be met: controlled by an entity as a result of past event. Condition 2, which is expected to provide future economic benefit. Both condition met, recognize asset. Control: company has control over the use of asset, when and how to use asset. If it's expected that company can generate income, reduce expenses, or increase value to the business, its economic benefit. Types of asset: as per nature of asset, current asset, non-current asset. Resources expected to converted into cash are consumed within a year. Non-current asset: resources expected to converted into cash or consumed within more than a year. Long-term assets: as per physical appearance, tangible and non-tangible. Tangible: can be seen, can be touched, measure and value precisely. Non-tangible: can not be seen, not be touched, not measure and value precisely.